Hey everybody, Mascorp here. So I'm going to start a video series kind of based off my blog. It's going to kind of go through step by step of everything I've done, starting with pretty much no money at all and how I was able to grow that money. So basically there's an easy way to make money. There's a fun way to make money. A lot of this money I use to fund for gaming, pay a couple bills, make a little money on the side. So first up on the list is RobinHood. RobinHood, you can open up an account. You get free stocks when opening up an account when you use my affiliate link. Right now, RobinHood's got a deal where you can get a free stock, and if you recommend it to any of your friends, you too can get 3 free stocks out the gate. So for most people, that'd be money out the gate. So like I said, by joining RobinHood using the affiliate link below, you can get a stock anywhere between $2 and $500. So that'd be a real good start to your portfolio if you're interested in investing. Currently, go over here to my portfolio. Currently, I'm sitting at about $603 today. It's not too bad, seeing as that I've just been, investing dollars at a time. About 338 of that is buying power, meaning it's still in cash. I haven't used it yet, but with some of the other stuff I'm going to be doing in my videos that I'll be showing you, you'll see how I was able to get that margin up that high. You can pretty much see over here all the stocks I'm invested in. I'm not even buying full stocks. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to just buy stocks. You can buy, portions of a stock, which is nice because it can get you into dividend investing real quick. Just pretty much been going down the list. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. But RobinHood's pretty good. Highly recommend it if you want to get into investing. It's really good for beginners. The free stocks are very nice. If you're married, do what I did. I shared it with my spouse. She got a free stock. I got a free stock. So something you can look forward to. Comes on the iPhone, Android, and PC, so it's real easy to get a hold of. It's completely free. They do have a gold edition that costs $5 a month. I have not used it yet, but when my portfolio grows a little bit, I think I'm going to have to, because right now the current deposit limit is $1,000, and when the money starts rolling, I'd like to have access to more money. So if you're interested in RobinHood, investing, or just starting out and want to give investing a try, please click the link down below. Get your portfolio started. Like I said, this is part 1 of my blog series of found money. I'll be trying to put out as many videos as I can in this series, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks a lot for listening. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that I can give you the latest in passive income earning. I'll do daily, weekly, and monthly updates on all my earnings. And if you want even more information, join our Discord with Mascorp Real Money Talk. Everyone's welcome. We highly encourage advice. We highly encourage helpful knowledge, and we're always here to learn more and help best way we possibly can. So if you could, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links below. Y'all have a blessed day. Mascorp out.